Well, the breaking news coming in from Leader of Opposition in Rajya Sabha and former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Ghulam Nabi Azad, who has defended Umar Abdullah's separate Prime Minister for Jammu and Kashmir remarks. Ghulam Nabi Azad saying that it's the government that's responsible for this. He further adding that Modi government's policies have led to disappointment, and that's why the National Conference is now demanding the restoration of the pre-1953 position. Ghulam Nabi Azad also lashing out at the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath for calling the army as Modi's Sena.
इसके लिए भी कौन जिम्मेदार है?
क्या उनकी मांग सही है सर?
सुनिए, उसके लिए जिम्मेदार प्राइम मिनिस्टर है। अगर वो जम्मू कश्मीर में ये हालात पैदा नहीं करते 5 साल में, तो आज एनसी को वो 1953 वाली पोजीशन याद नहीं आती। उसके लिए भारतीय जनता पार्टी जिम्मेवार है और प्राइम मिनिस्टर जिम्मेदार है कि उन्होंने इतने हालात खराब जम्मू कश्मीर में 5 साल के में किए कि लोग अब तंग आ गए हैं और 52 की बात कर रहे हैं।
कांग्रेस का स्टेट क्या है सर? इसलिए
उनसे ज्यादा मैं प्राइम मिनिस्टर को
कांग्रेस का क्या स्टेट है?
Sunil Ji Bhatt, in fact, joining us for more on this. Sunil Ji, after Umar Abdullah, the National Conference, and now the Congress Party once again demanding to restore Jammu and Kashmir's autonomy. A big shocker there coming in from Ghulam Nabi Azad, holding the Prime Minister responsible for the remarks made by Umar Abdullah.
Absolutely, Avantika. It's quite ironical that it was the Congress government in the past which had removed this particular provision as far as the special status to Jammu and Kashmir is concerned. The nomenclature of Prime Minister and President in Jammu and Kashmir, it was removed by the Congress government. And we must also remember that it was the then Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru who had jailed Sheikh Abdullah after noticing his seditious activities. Now coming to, because Congress is in a very difficult position right now, it can neither oppose National Conference on it, nor it can support it. It's an ally of Congress, is an ally of National Conference here in Jammu and Kashmir. As far as the 2 seats of Jammu region is concerned, it's relying on the National Conference's support. It has supported it. But as far as this Umar Abdullah's demand that he will bring back these nomenclatures of Prime Minister and President, one must remember that in 1975 there was an agreement between the then government of Indira Gandhi and Sheikh Abdullah's representative Mirza Afzal Beg. It was G. Parthasarathi who had negotiated that agreement with the representative of Sheikh Abdullah, and in that agreement it was agreed upon that these nomenclatures will not be used. So Sheikh Abdullah was directly installed as Chief Minister in 1975. Nowhere in the Indira Sheikh Accord it's mentioned that Prime Minister or this nomenclature of President will be used in Jammu and Kashmir. So clearly it reveals that it's an election season. So that is why National Conference is trying to, raise this pitch of autonomy to get some more votes.
Well, we are going to leave it at that. But Sunil Ji, thanks so much for joining us. Let's listen into what exactly did Umar Abdullah say when he made that demand for a separate Prime Minister for the state of Jammu and Kashmir, and how that statement evoked sharp reactions from the Prime Minister, who condemned those remarks quite strongly.
जम्मू कश्मीर बाकी रियासतों की तरह नहीं है। बेशक बाकी रियासत बिना शर्त करके हिंदुस्तान में मिल गए। बेशक हमने शर्तें रखी, हम मुफ्त में नहीं आए। हमने अपनी पहचान को बनाए रखने के लिए आईन में कुछ चीजें दर्ज कराई। हमने कहा हमारी पहचान अपनी होगी, हमारा आईन अपना होगा, हमारा झंडा अपना होगा। हमने उस वक्त अपना सदर रियासत और वजीर आजम भी रखा था जो उन्होंने कहा था, इंशाल्लाह उसको भी हम वापस ले आएंगे।
फारूक अब्दुल्ला साहब, उनके बेटे उमर अब्दुल्ला साहब की पीढ़ी प्राइवेट कंपनी, इस नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस ने बयान दिया है कि कश्मीर में अलग प्रधानमंत्री होना चाहिए। आप मुझे बताइए, कांग्रेस के साथी पार्टी की ये मांग आपको मंजूर है? हिंदुस्तान में किसी को भी मंजूर है?
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.